elevating your garden with luxury pots for plants in the surefire way add religious and sculptures to outdoor space. In this guide, we will explore a variety of luxurious plant pot options that will elevate the aesthetics appeals of your garden while providing a stylish home for your greenery. Luxury pots combine a variety of high-end materials that add both beauty and durability to your garden. Opt for a pot crafted from premium materials such as ceramic, terracotta, and stone metal. Each material offers unique textures, finishes, and colors to suit your personal style and complement your garden design shape. In this video, you can see different types of planters such as toy planter, plastic bottles, and other materials of planters. So this is known as planters because of they hang and they put a plant for a grow. And you can see these are not luxury planters, and you can see toy planters repurposing material like plastic bottles and tires and a budget friendly way to create unique garden decor. By reusing material that would otherwise end up in the landfills, you are reducing waste and minimizing your environment impact. Dye planters allow you customize your garden to suit your style and space. You can experiment with the different shapes, sizes, and colors to create truly unique outdoor space. There are scenes of satisfaction that comes from creating something with your own hands. Dye garden planter provide a fun and fulfilling garden project for emphasizing of all skill levels. Where you are seasoned garden just as starting outdoor, dye garden planter offer a fun and creative way to enhance your outdoor space. From plastic bottles to old tires, the possibilities are endless when it comes in repurposing material into a unique garden decor. We hope you found inspiration today's video and are excited to start your own garden planter projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more garden tips and tricks. Happy planting! Create a captivating garden patio in or then marriage nature with a design offering a serene space for a relaxation and entertainment. In this guide, we explore innovating ideas to transform your outdoor area into heaven, tranquility, and style. See this next spot in my channel. Visit my channel and like the video and click the subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.